Hey guys, this is Heidi, this is Los Heidi, and today we are here in La Ceja. This is like a small little town from Antioquia. And today I wanted to come here, so just to show you a little bit. There's a waterfall, there's a really nice place, but as you can see, the weather is really bad. So it's very rainy. So I'm not sure I can do what I want to do in here today, but I don't know, for the moment I'm just gonna wait just a little bit, and I don't know, let's see if I can just jump into the waterfall, because we gotta go to a cable, and in the cable if it's raining, I don't think it's, you know, like we're not able to just to jump in. I'm gonna show you a little bit more around here. Normally, if in this area when it's sunny, you can do like all these kind of activities. So you see there is like I don't know how to say that in English actually, but we say columpio, so it's like, you know, there are like hikes, there is a really nice swimming pool, there is a spot or a way just to watch, there are some games, and we are about to do this, but I'm sorry, because, you know, if you want to come here with your couple or your partner, you can come and do a picnic, which seems very romantic. And this is El Buey waterfall, so I just want to go there. I would like just to fly a little bit so you can see this is the waterfall. I know it's very beautiful from some videos I have been looking at, but I don't know, I have no idea if today I can jump in, so whatever, just gonna let you know. So stay tuned and keep, I don't know, just watching. So guys, look, this is the weather today. So, you know, it's kind of sad because I was driving here like, but it's not sad, it's fine, you know, that's the weather, it's the way it is, so that's what it is, and we can do absolutely nothing. So I don't know, this is a really traditional house, and you're gonna see these flowers because Medellín is very popular for, they have a festival, like a flower festival once a year, and they grow plants here because, you know, I don't know, like if you guys can realize, but for example, the highest you are, it's gonna be the cold, and that's a really good weather for growing plants or roses or I don't know, this kind of flowers. Here I think that I have no idea if this is just for selling or, you know, this is the personal garden of the house, which is very nice. Look at these succulentas. What I wanted to say is that, yeah, for today, I'm sorry, but I can do like absolutely no activities in here. So the only thing I can do is just go to the turco, which is hot steam, and yeah, it's good for the skin. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just get that hot chocolate because it's really cold right now. So actually there is a swimming pool in here, but we can do absolutely nothing. I think you can guys see the weather, so it's very cloudy, very foggy, and it's very cold, so I have no intention of, I don't know, jumping into the swimming pool. And here there is like what we call mirador, so it's a spot and you can see the whole, you know, panorama and the landscape, but it's very foggy, so yeah, we're going to see nothing. I'm gonna be in the Turco, so I'm just gonna take you there, show you a little bit, and I think that's all for today. I'm deeply sorry, but yeah, weather is not good, and when we're having this kind of weather, it's very dangerous to do any kind of you know, activities. So guys, you know, the weather is actually not getting better, so I decided just to jump into the water. There are these guys in here, but yeah, I'm just gonna jump, you know, like whatever, and then I'm just jumping into the steam bath. So this is the weather today. What can I do? Like either I stay like in the restaurant and do absolutely nothing, or just go. But look, it's very foggy, very cold. Okay, I'm just gonna jump into the water. Mira, cógela. Métete. Babe! Dale, ven.
Ya como estoy.
Ay, ya, eso ya uno se mete y ya.
Ahora haciendo pues.
Y aquí ya está, ¿verdad?
No, para acá, no. Y el balón especial.
Okay, the water is really cold. No puedo.
Una.
Dale, está en la cama. Necesito que te hagas acá,
¿Dónde?
Okay, so maybe this is not a good idea because it's very, very cold. But for me, it's fine. I think so. The person who is behind is shaking because it's very cold. But yeah. So now I'm jumping into the steam room. And you know, like this is really, really cold water. Now we're going to hot steam, which is, I don't know, good for the water. Okay guys, so look, like now it's not that foggy anymore. So you can see a little bit the mountains. But it's so cold in here, like seriously. Just gonna stay here in the steam room. And I want to show you a little bit, but I don't think you can see anything. Still, yeah. I don't even think like you guys can see me, but so I don't know. Thanks for watching. Oh, this is a little bit foggy. So hope to see you in the next video. Unfortunately, this one we couldn't not be in any adventure anymore because of the weather. But for the next time, and I really want to come to this place when weather is nice, and I don't know. So I just want to show you for the next time. Just keep tuned, keep on watching. Please go and subscribe. Please go and hit that like button. And yeah, just gonna leave you with this beautiful view. And so it's very cold. So thank you guys. Hey guys, I just finished the steam bath, which was really good. And now I'm here in this toilet. But oh my gosh, like really, I'm not kidding. It's so cold right now. Like, you know, that was a hot steam. And yeah, just coming out of this is like really, really crazy. And I'm just gonna show you again, like look, this is the weather. But either was that or just me saying like, you know, really doing nothing and just, you know, like I came here, I was driving like 1 hour and 30 minutes and I was like, what's up? You know, I was like, I can't do anything. So for me the best was to, you know, just jump a little bit on the swimming pool and to enjoy. So guys, see you next time. So I hope next time I come here it's gonna be better weather and I can do the activities I wanted to do, because actually if I do it today it was kind of dangerous, like, you know, it's like maybe I could get like an accident or something like that. So for the next time I'm gonna be on the waterfall. I want to take some pictures from different places, from different spots, so that you can see and kind of enjoy the nature that this department has for you. So for the next time, I think for today that's all. There's nothing much to do here. Like even if I wanted to do something, there's not. Like either I go to swimming pool, which is very cold, or I just stay in the steam bath, and I just did it for fun. So guys, look, if you want to come here, like I didn't say that, but like it's 1 hour 30 away from Medellín. So this is the municipio, or the, you know, the little small town called La Ceja, and this is what you're gonna get here. Like there is a restaurant, and actually in this area where I am, it's Ecoparque. It's a restaurant. Ecoparque means that there is a national park, and in the national park you can do some kind of activities. So here I'm showing you a little bit. For example, if you want to come here, just, you know, grab lunch. Normally you do your activities like canopy and all that of activities. Also, if you want to grab something to eat, like you're gonna get like a huge variety of things to eat and to drink. How far you gotta come here? Like, it's actually driving maybe an hour 30 minutes, 45 minutes. When you come here, you gotta pay 5,000 pesos, and those 5,000 is the entrance fee. After that, if you wanna join some activities, like for example, I wanted to do the canopy. I want, you know, it's like going through a cable, just like jumping. And after that, you go and you can do this waterfall. So this waterfall is one of the main reasons why people is coming here. Look at this beauty. So if you're coming here, and yeah, it's like hour 45 minutes, entrance fee is gonna be 5,000 pesos, which is like maybe $1.50, something like that. It's not really expensive. After that, you can pay the activities, and it's 70,000 pesos, which is maybe $20 or $25. I don't think, maybe it's less. I'm maybe getting confused. After that, if you're coming, you can grab lunch, you can eat something here or drink something, and there is always these empanadas, you know, like I always get on the way, and each empanada costs like 2,000 pesos. That's less than $1. So in total, let's say if you do like you know, like 1-day trip or something like that, just like coming and going, it's gonna be maybe $50. I think if you're spending a lot, but if not, it's not gonna be that expensive. And yeah, so there's a lot of things to do here. Even the waterfall, there's also for people who likes climbing, they can climb. But as I say, you can do that when the weather is like this, because it's gonna be dangerous. Look at this horse. I think it's a little bit scared, you know, and I'm kind of sorry for them, because when it's so cold, so they cannot really, it's a little bit slicey for them. So yeah, this is okay, you cannot even try to eat something. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the video, and yeah, see you next time. I already just came out of the swimming pool, of the steam bath, and it was really nice. Still is very cold, so I'm just gonna look for my lunch, and yeah, see you the next time, guys. Hope you like this video. Please hit that like. Bye.